Let's take a look at a sensor called Autorun Files. This sensor is a parameterized sensor that takes a number of different hash types. So we have MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, and imp hash. We also can include or not include Microsoft binaries using this selector. And then when we hit go, we'll get this type of output. The output that comes from this sensor includes just the file name without the path and the selected hash. And the idea here is that this sensor will provide the minimal amount of information so that you can run it, one, in very large environments, and two, it will cluster nicely across different OS installations, even versions of, say, Windows 10. If you have different patch levels, these binary hashes will be slightly different. So anything that is set by the operating system to automatically run will be shown here with its hash of the file. So we have executables, we have DLLs, and we have system drivers. We have control panel objects, we have even audio codecs, and if I scroll up here a little bit, we have VBScript, and then here's the kernel level drivers. So there's quite a bit of information being conveyed by this sensor. This would be a good sensor to include in information being sent through to a SIM, possibly by using a learning mode so that over time you're only sending the differentials through to your SIM. So as new drivers show up in the environment, your SIM will learn of those. You could also use this sensor to feed a reputation service so that these binary hashes are looked up by your reputation service so that you're getting not just executables, not just images, but you're getting hashes of scripts, kernel drivers, audio codecs, control panels. All of those are being run. So there are 16 different executable file types that all share the 4D5A header type. And so a lot of those will be included here, and they'll show up in your hash reputation lookup service.